What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we got to talk about Shiba Inu. So everyone knows about what just now happened with Shiba Inu. Like I said in my previous video, we are really getting ready to break out, and no one could have predicted this, but I predicted it. I'm just playing. But yeah, seriously, we did actually break out of this consolidation. And why did we break out? We broke out because here's the big news. Coinbase just now listed Shiba Inu, so it's official. Coinbase now listed Shiba Inu, but there's some there's some information that we have to read about Coinbase and Shiba Inu. But what this means is that now that Coinbase listed on Shiba Inu, we know that these petitions here actually do good work. These petition here are actually helping Shiba Inu rise. So the next petition, Robinhood. The next thing is Robinhood. You've seen the Shiba Inu pump with Coinbase. Just imagine Robinhood. Robinhood has so much more money flowing through it just because of the stocks. So guess what could happen with Robinhood? More people signed the Robinhood petition than Shiba Inu. So it's almost definite that we're gonna get on Robinhood now. So Shiba Inu is about to be on Robinhood right after getting listed on Coinbase. Now, I want to show this right here from a bigger perspective here, so you can see what this jump looks like in real time here. This is a huge jump in Shiba Inu. This is a big step forward. And yeah, look at this. That is straight up. And yeah, we are pumping huge here. So let's go over here and read this. So inbound transfers for CHZ, Keep, and Sheep are now available in the regions where trading is supported. So yeah, they're talking about, how Thailand doesn't let. So I guess you really can't buy Sheep in Thailand now. But we can at least get it in other places, right? So traders cannot place orders, and no orders will be filled. Trading will begin on after 9 a.m. on a specific time too. So 9 a.m. Pacific time on Thursday, 6/17. So on Thursday, it will be here on 9 a.m. if liquidity conditions are met, which means if people buy enough inside or transfer enough SHIB to their Coinbase account. So yeah, if you transfer enough SHIB to your Coinbase accounts, then it will happen. So definitely transfer some SHIB to Coinbase so we can get this popping over here. So let's read this. So SHIB is now launching on Coinbase. This is huge. So let's just read this whole thing. Let's just go through this whole thing right here because this is a lot of news here. So starting today, Tuesday, June 15, transfers for SHIB into your Coinbase account ahead of trading. So support for SHIB will generally be available in Coinbase's supported jurisdictions, with the exception of Singapore. So yeah, just like I said with Thailand, it's a shame, but we gotta keep moving on. So CHZ and SHIB will not be available in New York residents. So yeah, that definitely sucks that New York residents cannot get CHZ or SHIB. Definitely sucks. But look, trading will begin on or after 9 a.m. Pacific time, Thursday, June 17th. So if liquidity conditions are met, so definitely send some SHIB to your Coinbase wallet. And why do I say send some to your Coinbase wallet? Well, let's keep reading to see why. One of the most common requests was for customers to be able to trade more assets. Let's keep going down here. Starting immediately, we will begin accepting inbound transfers of CHZ, Keep, SHIB to Coinbase. So CHZ, that's such a tongue twister. CHZ, that's the tongue twister. So CHZ, Keep, and SHIB to Coinbase Pro. Trading will begin on after 9 a.m. Pacific time, Thursday, June 17th, if liquidities are met. So definitely send some SHIB over there. So look, once sufficient supply of CHZ, Keep, and SHIB is established on the platform, like I said, you have to send some over there. So send it to the platform. You're able to send it there right now, but you're not able to buy it right now. So send it right now. Look, trading on our CHZ for US dollars, euros, GDP. So they're saying everywhere you can get this. So you can't get it completely everywhere, but you can get it almost everywhere, right? So they're saying order books will launch in 3 phases: post only, and limit only, and full trading. So if at any point one of the new orders books does not meet our assessment for a healthy and orderly market, we may keep the book in one state for a longer period of time or suspend trading as per our trading rules. So definitely, please SHIB Army, send some SHIB to your Coinbase accounts. Please, SHIB Army, do that, and it will help out the whole SHIB Army, right? So we will push tweets from our Coinbase Pro Twitter account as each order book moves through the phase. So they're gonna push it through their account when each order moves through its phase. So yes, this is really big right here. This is really good news today. And yeah, DOT, they're doing a lot of different things. So Coinbase is really setting the new standard here. So I'm definitely happy Coinbase is doing this. Let's keep reading what we have here. So it says CHZ, we don't want to read about these others. We just want to see about SHIB. They're explaining what SHIB is, and they're saying a lot about SHIB. So let's just keep scrolling here. So CHZ, Keep, and SHIB are not yet available on Coinbase.com or via our consumer mobile apps. We will make a separate announcement if and when this support is added. So they're saying not on Coinbase.com, but it's on Coinbase Pro. you can sign up for Coinbase Pro account here to start trading. For more information on trading CHC, Keep, and SHIB on Coinbase Pro, visit our page. So yeah, Coinbase Pro. So what they are saying here is they've already released it, so you can now send your SHIB to your Coinbase account. So by June 17th, enough liquidity has to be inside of accounts on Coinbase Pro in order for them to list it to be able to be purchased on Coinbase Pro. So right now we can send it to Coinbase Pro, but we can't actually purchase it until June 17th if the liquidity is met. So please, all SHIB Army, please send some SHIB over to Coinbase Pro. We really need this. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. But look, we need SHIB over there. We need everyone to hold their SHIB on Coinbase Pro. And yes, I know this is a way for, Coinbase to trying to get money out of people. They're trying to get transfer fees, they're trying to get, they're finessing it. Yes, they are. But now that they have SHIB on the platform, this is going to be huge, because if enough liquidity is there, they're going to make it able so then people can actually purchase it on June 17th. So this is actually really big, and it's actually really cool to think about, because this petition is the whole reason why this happened, and only 40,000 people signed it. We needed 50,000, but only 40,000 people signed it. And then we go over here and look at Robinhood, 142,000 people signed it. Robinhood already responded about Shiba Inu. They said, look, we're not putting anything particular on Robinhood, but we are adding new cryptos. But they didn't want to say the name because they didn't want to, spoil it. But when you look up Robinhood wallet, like just look up Robinhood wallets, Robinhood wallets, and then you go over here, or not even over here, but where is the actual Robinhood website? There's the actual Robinhood website, and you go over here, it says coin withdrawals. At this time, we don't have the functionality to allow customers to transfer their cryptocurrency assets to or out of their Robinhood crypto account, but we're currently working on providing those abilities for supported cryptocurrencies. So they are working on providing people the ability to have your Robinhood wallets and to send money in and out. And on top of that, they're also working on new coins. So they're trying to get new coins onto Robinhood. So they're going to add new coins. So we know that Shiba Inu is going to get added on Robinhood. We just don't know when. And they have way more people who signed up than the Coinbase Pro. So that's just so cool that this is happening right now, that literally Coinbase added it and now Robinhood is. And look at that pump. Just look at that pump. It's still going up. Let's go over here and look at it for the minute chart here. So you can see it's still pumping. It's still up there. So this is a good increase right here. Good increase in price. We jumped all the way up. I will not be selling. I'm going to hold for the long term. I hope you all hold for the long term as well, because we are going to be doing some really good things here at SHIB. And SHIB, look, we were all the way down at like 44. We were all the way down at 44. But now look, after that pump, we are back up. We are back up to 30. Look, we are ranked 30. We are up 30% right now. Up 30% for the last 24 hours. That's crazy. So yeah, Shiba Inu is going to the moon, literally. And so much money has just pumped into the SHIB market. It literally went from 2.8 billion market cap all the way up to 3.6 billion in market cap. So we literally got a whole 800 million in market cap within the last hour or so. Because yeah, when I made my previous Shiba Inu video, I made that like 2 hours ago, and none of this came out. And then this just now, they literally just tweeted this 46 minutes ago. So within 46 minutes, $800 million worth of Shiba Inu went into the market. So the market cap literally just now got $800 million of Shiba Inu within the last 47 minutes. Like, this is crazy. And another thing, another thing I've been saying for Shiba Inu, the actual page, to release more information. And look, they actually released some more information. Maybe they watched my video. But yeah, this is just going crazy right now. This is huge. It's raining outside, so you probably hear a lot in my background right now. But yeah, so much is going on right now. Like, Shiba Inu is going crazy to the moon. So yeah, I definitely encourage everyone to put some Shiba Inu inside of your Coinbase accounts, because when you do, they're going to allow people to buy it. But yeah, this is pretty much all I have for Shiba Inu. I just wanted to come here with this update, right? So also, I want to go over here and look at all of this. So this is all of the recent transactions for Shiba Inu. All of this money just now recently went into Shiba Inu. Look, people are literally buying Shiba Inu left and right, left and right, left and right. And they're sending it, they're transferring it. Look, swap Ethereum for tokens. Swap Ethereum for tokens. Sell to Uniswap. Swap Ethereum for tokens. Look, transfer. When you see stuff like this, transfer, most likely they're transferring it over to their Coinbase account. So all these transfers, whenever you see a transfer like this, it's going to their Coinbase account. So yeah, people are already sending it to their Coinbase Pro account. Remember, it's only on Coinbase Pro, not Coinbase. Do not send it to Coinbase. Send it to Coinbase Pro. I need to stress that a lot. So make sure it goes to Coinbase Pro and not Coinbase. because remember, wallets are different for everything. So if you have Coinbase, upgrade to Coinbase Pro so that you can get it on there. And remember, you do not, I have to stress this so much, you do not want to send it to the wrong wallet. Make sure you send your SHIB to the right wallet, because you could really screw up and lose literally everything. So do not mess up on that. But yeah, Shiba Inu is going to the moon. I want to look at all holders. Look, actually earlier today we had 506,000 holders, and look, now we have 507,000 holders. So a whole 1,000 people within the last 47 minutes just now bought in on Shiba Inu. That's 7,000, or that's 1,000 new people. That, not to mention everyone else. Everyone else may have bought even more Shiba after that. But yeah, 7,000 new people, or 1,000 new people bought in. So that's really good news for Shiba Inu. So the India COVID relief fund. When I released this video, my video 47 minutes ago, they only had $142 million. Now look at them, $183 million. That's going to help so many people out there inside of India just because of this new Shiba Inu news. And you can bet that they're probably going to end up selling a little now. But if they have a financial advisor advising them, that you hear that thunder outside, don't you? But yeah, that financial advisor will tell the India COVID relief fund to keep Shiba Inu. They'll say, look, keep Shiba Inu until it actually gets listed on Coinbase, because when Coinbase lists, it will go up even higher. So if they have a financial advisor, that's what they're going to do. So I definitely expect them to sell a little bit more. But remember, they don't have much Shiba Inu. They don't have much hold over Shiba Inu anymore. Like, they only have about 1%. They have 2% of all Shiba Inus. Like, that's not much at all. Only 2%. So if they were to sell out right now, I did this earlier. If they were to sell out their 183 million minus 323 billion. So let's just do that. 362341606.9 minus what do they have over here? Minus I'm just gonna copy and paste because that's too much. So yeah, let's copy and paste that and see what we would have if the COVID relief fund, if they actually sold all their Shiba Inu. So if they sold all their Shiba Inu, it would only go from 3.6 billion market cap to 3.4 billion market cap. So approximately from 918 probably down to about 899, or probably to the 9 area flat. But that's why I'm not worried about the COVID relief fund. I actually hope they do sell their Shiba Inu, because it would have helped them out, and would also help us out when we go higher. It'll help us not drop. So if they could sell it out, it'll help their people out and it'll help us out. So that's pretty cool. So we're also seeing new whales are being made. New whales are being made at this moment right now. So I cannot stress this enough. There's so many different people buying into Shiba Inu right now that you do not want to miss out. Like, Shiba Inu is pumping. It's pumping huge and it's pumping hard right now. Look, this whale bought in 50 days ago. They're still holding it. They have a lot of money inside of SHIB. So a lot of people are in SHIB for the long run. A lot of people have millions of dollars in it. Not as much as Dogecoin. They don't have as many whales as Dogecoin, but they have whales left and right. And Shiba Inu is catching up to Dogecoin. So we're going to be right next to Dogecoin, especially when we get on Robinhood. We're going to be sitting right next to Dogecoin, looking lovely. Everything's going to be nice, and we are going to the moon right now. So yeah, Shiba Inu is going crazy. A lot of money is flowing through it. So yeah, this is all I really have today. All I really have for you is the Coinbase news, and I will come back with another video whenever there's more news about the Coinbase Pro, and whenever the liquidity is met, I will definitely come back with some more news when the liquidity is met. So without further ado, this is Marsellis, and yes, I'm always going to be here with better and better videos every single day, and Shiba Inu will continue to rise with every single video I make. And yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And remember, Robinhood is about to start having Shiba Inu. And yeah, I will be back with another video. Peace.